Microsoft has released a big fish TTS.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the VibeVoice podcast channel.
This model is called VibeVoice. We have already discussed the smaller version of this model, but this is the larger version of this model. The best part about this model is it can generate audio content up to 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. But I want to first show you a sample of mix of two languages, English and Chinese. Right now, these are the two languages that are supported. Let's listen to the sample.
For our last one, when you want to say something is super easy, you can use a very vivid phrase, 闭着眼睛都能做. It literally means can do it with one's eyes closed. For example, if you want to say he can use this software with his eyes closed, you can say 这个软件他闭着眼都能用. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to VibeVoice, where we share all the interesting things in this world with you.
So, as you saw, this is purely text to speech, but it also can do multiple languages in the same conversation. So, this is the text that I pasted, and we have selected only one speaker, and then you could see that it doing both English and Chinese with very good. I'm not a Chinese speaker, but when I listen to somebody speaking Chinese like this, it almost looks precise to me. If you know Mandarin, please let me know in the comment section if it made any sense. But it also can do multi-speaker, and it also can do podcast type content with background music. I'm going to play the intro so you have an understanding what do I mean.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the VibeVoice podcast channel. I'm your host, Linda, and today I want...
Did you hear the background music? That background music is what I was talking about. It can generate like a podcast notebook LM style content with a background music with multiple speakers. All this is one single model. I'm going to show you one more demo later on in this video where you're going to see a multi-speaker conversation. But for now, what is this model? This model is called VibeVoice, and the smaller version of this model, 1.5 billion parameter model, was already released by Microsoft. The model can generate up to 90 minutes content with 4 distinct speakers. So you can generate content with 4 different speakers, speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3, speaker 4. This is like very different from many other existing solutions where maximum you can generate for 1 speaker or 2 speakers. One thing that I've not seen any TTS model do is generate 90 minutes long content in one shot. This is the output speech length, and VibeVoice is like somewhere like very far away from everybody else. Like even one of the most celebrated solutions, Sesame AI Labs, even this is much better than Sesame AI Labs. We have covered Dia before, I think, on this channel, and much better than Dia. Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. Google Gemini TTS is one of the best TTS in the market. Production level TTS that you can use today, and this can generate much higher than that. And the fact that this model is open source, it comes with MIT license. That means you can use this model for commercial purpose, whether it is to generate content for your corporation, like within the company, whether it is content for YouTube or other platforms. I think this model does a pretty good job of generating content for whatever you want to do, and you can make money out of it. That's what Microsoft is saying. Like in the previous video we saw, this model is a combination of diffusion plus the current LLM stack. So VibeVoice is basically a next token diffusion framework. It leverages LLMs to understand the textual content. So what is happening here is that when you say something, it has to understand what is going on. It has to understand the context. Typical TTS models can't understand. You need an LLM for that, the LLM backend, and for the dialogue flow, and a diffusion head to generate high fidelity acoustic details like the background music, the expressions. LLM part of this model has been supported by Qwen 2.5, which is again like one of the greatest thing Qwen is doing is supporting a lot of open source models. And it has got the diffusion head, which is like 600 million parameter model diffusion head that is going to help generating the acoustic details and all the other things. They're also going to release a VibeVoice 500 million parameter model for streaming. So that should ideally help with streaming. Like if you want to generate audio that is live while some text is coming. So this is extremely helpful. For example, you've got an input of ChatGPT streaming, and then you can have an output of audio streaming. So this is going to be coming soon. Subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss it. But I'm going to show you one more demo before we wind up this video. So the demo that we are using right now is hosted on Hugging Face. So this is a Hugging Face Spaces. You can just go there and then play with that. It's called VibeVoice. And you can just play with the model, and then the way you can structure the text is you need to have a speaker 1 tag and you need to have a speaker 2 tag. You have to select the number of speakers. You get to select 2 different models, the VibeVoice large, VibeVoice 1.5 billion parameter model, And then within speaker 1 and speaker 2, you can select the voices you want. If you want to change advanced settings, you can change the CFG scale. This is basically a guidance between prompt and creativity. So the lower one it is, like closer to 1, it's going to adhere to the prompt really well. So anyways, the text that we are using right now is from the most recent Superman movie. So you can take this text, like if you have seen the movie, then you can probably compare, you can understand how in the movie the conversation between Lois Lane and the Superman or Clark Kent happens, and here how does it actually do the TTS. So you have an idea about how good the model is with emotions or how bad the model is. I'm going to play it for you.
Superman, did you consult with the president before entering Baravian air? Superman, did you consult with the president before entering Baravian airspace?
Deep.
Superman, did you consult with the president before entering Baravian airspace?
Deep, heavy sigh. No.
The Secretary of Defense?
No.
Or any U.S. official before you took matters into your own hands and decided unilaterally how to handle this extremely delicate situation?
Gurkos and his goons were going to kill people.
It was just replacing one tyrannical regime with another.
Is that really how you feel?
I'm not the one being interviewed, Superman, but I'd question it. Yeah. I would question myself in the same situation and hold off a beat. Consider the consequences.
People were going to die!
Consider the consequences.
People were going to die!
I think it did a pretty decent job in terms of emotion. I didn't like the part that it added a lot of background noise when we have a conversation. Maybe I can try it again. But overall, I think in terms of emotion, especially the last line, like the people were going to die, which was like the iconic line that they had used in the trailer. I think this has done a pretty good job. But I also noticed that it, I don't know if it is like just my observation, but I almost feel like it is mixing up voices. I mean, even though we have selected only one voice, it seems like maybe it is mixing up voices. I don't know, like if you felt the same observation, let me know in the comments. But you have different voices. You can select allies with the BGM, without BGM. And then you've got the Chinese voices. You've got like an Indian, I guess. But I think overall, like this is a great model. Maybe I'll be worried about the consistency of how the model is going to handle different emotions. And if we can have like better control about how we can control the emotions. Do we want highly emotional model? Do we not? But otherwise, I think this is a great model. And the fact that this model can generate content up to 90 minutes, like forget about 90 minutes, like even if it can generate like half an hour content, it's extremely helpful for audiobooks, course curriculums, or a lot of other places where you need speech. But also I'm looking forward to see if Microsoft can share some script for us to fine tune this model for other languages, so we can take this to indie languages where you don't have a lot of content existing right now. Overall, great release. You can go access the model, and this model is available with MIT license. Kudos to Microsoft for releasing this. I'm looking forward to the streaming model. See you in another video. Happy prompting.